first let's go ahead and just drop your head back. Any discomfort there?
No, not really. It's a little tight feeling.
Chin down to your chest. How about there?
No.
Head up straight. How about tilting your head side to side?
No, that's fine.
How about turning right and left?
Maybe a little bit. It's a little tender right there.
How about bending down? Any discomfort there? With the low back?
Maybe a little on my shoulder, but
Okay. Now then, leaning back,
no, that's fine.
tilting. And that's twisting.
That's fine.
Okay. Let's go ahead and have a seat. Alright. Go ahead and just scoot back so that your legs are kind of dangling down.
Sure.
Here you go. And just relax your legs. Just relax your foot. Hands on your hips. Nice reactive reflexes. Let your arm fall. Here you go. Just bring your arms up like this. And I want you to resist. Hands out like this. Pull in. Push out. Pull in. Push out. Please go like that. Okay, push down. Push down. Hands back. Push back. Push back with your hands.
That's fine.
Here you go. Right here. Okay, hands open. And squeeze my fingers and splay them apart. I'm gonna lift your knee up. Okay. This one. Okay. Push out. Pull in. Push out. Pull in. Okay. Lift your foot up. Point inwards. You don't have to lift your leg. Just your foot. Up and in. And then push into my hand with your foot. Alright. Same thing. Up and in. And up.
Okay.
There you go. Okay. Good.
Okay.
All right. Any discomfort where I'm pressing?
A little bit.
Anything go down the arms when I do that?
No.
Tension.
Yeah.
Anything go down the arm when I press?
No.
And how about here?
No.
Anything uncomfortable when I press down?
No.
Okay, we're gonna turn your head, tilt back. How about here?
A little bit, yeah.
Little
And then
on
back
this
here.
side?
Yeah.
Okay. And turn, tilt back. How about here?
Yeah, a little bit.
A little bit.
A
Just
little.
feel relieving when I lift.
Yeah, that's what I. Should I take my glasses off?
Yeah, that's
Yeah.
fine. We can just like
Put that- yeah. Just like that.
Now let's cross your arms in front.
Like that?
And any discomfort when I press in your back?
No, that's fine.
Over here.
No, that's also fine.
Alright, let's lay it on your back. Head goes on the paper. There you go. And when I lift your leg, anything painful in the lower back or through the leg?
No. Just a bit of a stretch,
A
but
little stretch.
yeah.
Alright.
Muscle, but
How
no.
about here?
No, that's fine.
Okay. Anything when I press on your hips and the low back?
No.
Okay. Just lower your back.
Sorry.
You're good. Yeah, I definitely feel some vertebrae out of alignment.
That would make sense. Yeah, my jaw pops a lot.
So
Yeah.
alright, let's turn over face down. A little short on the left. this pelvis is rotated.
Oh.
A little messy right there. Alright, let's go ahead and stand up. We'll go. Yeah, I don't always have x-rays of everybody, so it's like you don't know. Any discomfort there?
Not really. Just surprising.
Yeah.
Oh.
There we go.
That was good.
Alright. Give you a little stretch. Have you ever seen any of these before?
Yeah, what actually got me interested in getting adjustment was, social media content. It's just funny. So I've definitely seen them.
Yeah. So you'll actually feel a stretch kind of down here in your lower back.
Sure.
Or upper back.
Oh.
How'd that feel?
That was great.
Alright. Let's scoot down just a bit.
Sure.
And we're going to cross your arms.
Cross arms.
Alright. And deep breath. Breathe out.
Oh my god.
Okay. And on your side facing me. Straighten this leg out.
Okay, we got it.
Alright. And we'll let your body roll forward.
Oh god.
Big one.
Jeez.
Alright. On your side
Same thing?
facing me. Yep.
Is that right? No.
Yep, you got it. As long as I remember, that's all that matters.
Okay.
Okay. And roll forward.
Oh.
That's a huge one. Alright, flat on your back.
Oh, Jesus.
Alright, let's relax your legs. Just let them fall.
Oh.
Next one. Alright, let's sit up. How's that feel?
Oh man.
That's great. Alright, let's swing your legs around here. A lot of time, the tension in the neck is coming from the shoulders. So we'll want to spend a little bit more time stretching back here in the shoulders. Using like a doorway is a really great way to do that. You just hang onto the doorway and sink back.
Okay. Could you give me a demo of that before we leave today?
Absolutely.
Thanks, thank you. Oh my god, that's so good.
So the exercise I was going to show you is you retract your chin, so sit up real straight. Retract your chin like someone's trying to poke you in the face and you're trying to get back, perfect. And then what you're going to do is you're going to rotate your hands backwards, so pinching your shoulder blades together, keeping that chin retracted, and then you're going to pull down with your shoulders. So you're going to be engaging right here, so make sure you keep your chin back. Yep, there you go. Keep your head up straight. Pinching here, pulling down. So you're going to really feel this area kind of open up. It's going to build some more strength in the anterior muscles of your neck.
Okay.
And really you should be doing this once an hour, every hour you're awake.
Oh, okay.
So it's frequently throughout the day. You just do it for like 5-10 seconds and then you're going to realize, oh, okay, that's how my upper back should be feeling. That's how I should engage it.
Yeah, okay, cool,
Okay.
cool. Yeah, sounds good.
Then as far as the stretches go, One is thumb up
Mm-hmm.
and sink back. You'll feel it through here. The other way, just thumb down and sink back.
Cool. Okay. Awesome. Sounds good.
All right, we're all set for today then.